Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to talk about why dosa is the healthiest breakfast ever. Yes, you heard that right. This South Indian delight is not just tasty, but also packed with nutrients. If you're a health-conscious foodie like me, you're gonna love this. So what is dosa? Let's dive into its origins and why it's a favorite among many. Dosa is a thin, crispy pancake made from fermented rice and urad dal batter. This traditional dish has been a staple in South Indian households for centuries. It's a South Indian staple, and trust me, it's delicious. Now, let's talk nutrients. You might be wondering what makes dosa so special. Dosa is rich in carbohydrates and proteins, thanks to the rice and dal. These ingredients provide the energy you need to kickstart your day. Plus, the fermentation process boosts its nutritional value by increasing the vitamin B and C content. That's not all. Fermentation also makes the dosa easier to digest. The good bacteria produced during fermentation are great for your gut health. This means a happier and healthier digestive system. One of the best things about dosa is that it's low in calories and fat. You can enjoy it without worrying about your waistline. A plain dosa has around 120 calories. That's right, just 120 calories for a delicious and filling meal. So you can indulge without any guilt. And you know what? It's gluten-free. This makes it an excellent choice for those with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Perfect for those with gluten intolerance. But wait, there's more. Dosa is super versatile. You can customize it to suit your taste and dietary needs. You can fill it with a variety of healthy fillings. From vegetables to proteins, the options are endless. My favorite is the classic potato masala. The spicy and flavorful filling makes it irresistible, but you can also go for paneer, vegetables, or even eggs. Each filling brings its own unique taste and nutritional benefits. These fillings add more protein, vitamins, and minerals to your meal. And guess what? You can get creative with your fillings and try new combinations. Making dosa at home is easy. You don't need to be a master chef to whip up this delicious dish. Just soak rice and urad dal, grind them into a batter, and let it ferment overnight. The fermentation process is key to getting that perfect dosa texture. Then, spread it on a hot pan and cook until crispy. Voila! You've got yourself a nutritious and tasty breakfast. Serve it with chutney or sambar for an authentic experience. In conclusion, dosa is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's a perfect blend of taste and health. It's low in calories, high in protein, and great for your gut. Plus, it's a fantastic way to start your day on a healthy note. Plus, it's gluten-free and super versatile. You can enjoy it in so many different ways. So next time you're looking for a healthy breakfast option, give dosa a try. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Your support means a lot to us. See you in the next video. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.